luxurious tavern. Nottingham's oldest tavern there. The main lifts. Look at that with the rain at the top, see? Doctor Who is that? Hello and welcome to another room tour on It's All Rover. I'm BD. Today we are staying somewhere a little bit different to normal as we're celebrating an occasion. So I thought, you know what, let's not just do the usual Premier Inns, the Novotels, the Radissons. No, we'll go to Mercure. Now, that's not Mercury. No, we're not on another world. Although this room is somewhat otherworldly. We're at the Mercure in Nottingham City Centre. This room was about a couple of hundred a suite for the night. It's a Saturday night on a busy weekend. But that figure does include breakfast in the morning. And of course, because it's a suite, you get a separate room, you get the fridge, you get the luxuries, and this one does come with a stocked minibar. So, let's get started. We'll start at the door. You have to bear with me in this video because it's somewhat of a darkish room. I think that's by design because of the aesthetics of it. So, bear with if something's a bit, dark on the video. So here is through the old peephole, if you can see there. Oh, look at that. You can see right through. We have the fire instructions. Fortunately, this is one of those rooms where you are a little less likely to be burned alive because we do have direct access to the fire escape. And actually, if you look at this, the suite, this is where I am right now. Okay, that corridor, the main room, the bedroom, bathroom, and we go straight onto the fire escape. So, no char grilled backsides for us. I'll let you read those if you want. Right, into the hallway we have the usual card electric system. Lights. Controls those in there. We have the air con system. Nice cool Baltic 18 degrees, that's the lowest it goes. The very first of the precious artworks. Is it a famous aristocrat? Is it a king? No. It's a doggy. Woof woof. We have the nice light up there. Little window here. It's a frosted window. If I can pull the nets aside, you can't really see out, but that's good for privacy. We have an ampersand in the window, faced the other way. Let me just check that. Yes, it's not that way, so that's intended. Right. Little mirror. Some more artwork above the door, and look at the ceiling. It is mirrored, very shiny. The world's dimmest light there. Now we come into the main room. We have Mr. Hood there with his bow and arrow and coin pouch. Indeed. The main table, large mirror. Oh, hello. Look at it, very sort of steampunk-esque, old luggage sort of design. We have the phone. So if you want to complain about next door being a bit too ravenous, you can do that there. Some good plug selections, a lamp there. Let's see if that lamp works. And it does. Oh, okay, that's brought a bit more light into the room. The view, it's not a room with a view on this occasion, but that's fine. If anything, in this part of Nottingham, near the Lace Market, we might be a bit further away from the noise, which is good. We have drawers in this table. Empty. Empty, and shall we place our beds? Empty. You win. Going around here we have a bust of a famous wolf there. John Wolfman. He was the first vicar of Nottinghamshire. Steampunk trunk. Probably can't go in that. There's probably all sorts of nasties in there. These look like drawers, don't they? And we can open them. But there's nothing inside. Ah, yes. Empty frame. Will you be the next dog on the wall? Speaking of which, another dog. Happy boy there, the goodest of boys. Right there, just look at him. A distinguished gentleman. Big clock on the wall. Another good boy over there, look at that. Oh yes, Highland Terrier. And now we have a lot of bric-a-brac in here, so if you like your ornaments, you know where to come. And these are real books, which I believe you are allowed to read them, and reading them is included in the price. Things down there, there's a device down there, I wonder what that is. It probably controls the hidden cameras. As a suite, we have a Nespresso machine. Here's where the purple range. So let's see, they are the high strength, nice strong coffee. Small capsules there as well. See, a lot of hotels have an espresso machine, but don't give you the right size cups, so that's good. That's the room key. Remote, nice and shiny, looks quite new and clean. Another steam trunk, and there a light in the drum. And we have Jade here as well. Hello. As previously advised, Jade does not come with the room. She's not complimentary. We have a backpack there. Again, that is indeed mine. It is not complimentary. Fire escape, see? Through the bathroom. As I mentioned earlier. It's got more in this brick, but look at these. Look. Some Japanese sort of building there. Looks like it's potentially a candle holder. Oh dear, someone's done a rather unfortunate. Yeah, let's rectify that, shall we? Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Ooh, looks like he's been in trouble already. His little yeah, hook. Bleak House by Charles Dickens. Again, who's been staying in these rooms? My word, apologies, viewers. Let's sort this out for you there. There we go. That's better. Right. Nice. Some paint's dribbled on that. Oh. Lace making, as we are in the lace market, a historic area of Nottingham. Look at those little ornaments. Old books, see? Tale of Two Cities. Oh, Dickens. Another Dickens again, see? Western Expectations. And fish. And monkeys. More steamer trunks, I don't think these... Oh, they do open. Oh, let's have a look. Stare into the abyss. I'll stare at you. Big TV. Oh, hello. It's nice having these suites sometimes because you get to sit in a room, not in the bedroom. And, you know, indeed, as the bathroom is attached to the bedroom, if someone's had a rather unpleasant masala, you don't have to sit in the bedroom smelling it all evening. Now you can evacuate to the lounge, which is always nice. Look at these old pictures, look. Raleigh, bicycle maker. And a picture of... I don't know what that is, to be honest with you. It's probably nearby. Something sport related. If anyone can... Bowler. Could be cricket. Ah, yes. Nice big wardrobe there. Again, apologies for the lack of light in this area, as I sort of explained earlier. If I come back a bit for you. The room, it's quite dark. In fact, it's darker in real life than the video makes it out to be. And look at the ceiling. Look at that. You can see yourself in the ceiling. Good news or bad, that's up to you and or your partner. Right, again. We have a safe, an iron, some slippers. It'll look good when you get slippers. You have a kettle. You have some cups. and those are bathrobes. So look at these in the light, shall we? Look at that, look. Johnson's Hotel linen. I wonder if those are new or they send them to a company to launder them for them. That's interesting. In the cupboard as well, there were spare towels. I took them out just so I could see them, inspect them for bugs and termites and hairs of the lower region. None of us want that. Some drawers here. What's that there? Is that a book? No, that is a mark. Oh, look. So indeed, at this hotel, if you order Just Eat or Uber Eats, or indeed Food Hub if you're so inclined, and you order it here, the hotel will provide plates and cutlery for you. That's nice. You can order a pizza to the room, delicious 12-inch Italian stone baked. Margherita, pepperoni, mushroom and mixed peppers. Lovely. John, you can also look. Bones best burgers. Bone? I don't know. We know quality counts. The guests will be the judge of that. We have another aircon control in here, so the aircon in their bedroom is independent to that of the lounge, and a very distinguished little doggy on the wall. Look at that. Oh, he's seen some battles, that has. Oh, yes. Woof woof. Yes. Behind the door, we have a mirror. We have a ironing board, if you're so inclined, a luggage rack, and a human head. No, indeed, that's just a steamer trunk. Very large mirror in the bedroom. Look at that. Look, you can really see yourself on the bed. Blimey. Very grand. Very sort of. You order a sweet here, and a sweet is what you get. It does look like that light there is indeed wired in, although we couldn't seem to get it working. No matter. Those by the bed will suffice. Let's come around to the bed. They supply you with earplugs here. 3M. Is that a sign of things to come? Noisy bars or noisy neighbours, who knows? Nothing in the drawers there. Let's check the other side of the bed, and the bed is quite large. See? Super King, maybe? Doesn't look like two singles, although, but it is one mattress. Very good. Window, we're on the top floor, so it's not a full window, so you can just see the roofs over there, and indeed, right now it is raining, so that will be quite relaxing of a night time, indeed. Is there anything in here? No, there isn't. Bed looks comfy enough. Is it clean? Yeah. That looks fine to me. Lovely. It's always worth checking, around there. Bugs and whatnot. Bed bugs especially, you can always tell if there are those. You don't want to take them home with you. Oh. Hello. We've had 3 oh hellos in this video already. That's, I think, a record. The amount of mirrors in here. Right, before we move on to the bathroom, let's look at the fridge. And the suite, as you can see, comes stocked with soft drinks. Only one Coca-Cola normal, they don't want you going too mad, but 2 diets and 2 waters. How kind of them. Let's go to the bathroom and prepare yourself for this, guys. Look at this. Indeed, something different. Nice big window, and you have the privacy frosting, which is good. This is what I meant about the fire escape, see? So don't open that to, normally, because you will probably be told off. We have a towel rack there, another grand mirror, and another oh hello. And another mirror. This one lit up around the sides, and oh, blimey, don't let's see, this is a family channel, we shan't be showing bottoms here, no. But if you are such inclined to be looking at bare bottoms whilst you're having your bath, they have you covered here. And indeed, in this position, you have a very good vantage point of the toilet itself, so You can see what masala's been left in there of an evening. Plenty of toilet roll for one night. Old-fashioned toilet, but looks plenty clean, all good. That's all that matters. Again, shower, you know, some stuff around the edges, but you know, for one night and whatever, perfectly serviceable. Complimentary toiletries. Let's have a look at those. Elemental herbology. You've got your body wash, your shampoo and your conditioner. Lovely. Shower looks fine. Ah, see. Instructions to activate the mirror. Wave hand here for illumination. Of course, if you don't have a hand, then you feel free to complain to reception for the lack of inclusivity. We have a shower cap. Is that shower cap the second? It's shower cap the second. Oh, and we've lost it to the sink. Look at that. Look at that. Cups there for rinsing. People sometimes think these are for drinking. No, these really are for rinsing in the bathroom. I wouldn't recommend using them for drinking. They're never particularly clean too well. It despite their best efforts. But look at the bath, look. Big bath. Very rare you see a freestanding one, and indeed the floor. So if you've had quite a few in an evening, ooh, maybe give the bathroom a miss. And go in the street like everyone else, apparently. Lovely. Well, thanks for watching another room tour. I hope you enjoyed this one. Something a bit different than our usual fare. Obviously, we normally go to the big name hotels to show what it's like, but we've done a lot of that. So we thought, let's go somewhere a bit more niche, somewhere a bit more quirky, as they sort of brand themselves here. It's good. It's a good location in Nottingham, the Lace Market. You got a lot of bars and restaurants nearby. There's a bagel place around the corner and an ugly bread bakery, and the Victoria Centre's a couple of minutes away, 2 minutes walk away. But for a Saturday night, if you want somewhere central, it can be expensive, but as you can see in this room, it's very spacious. They do rooms other than suites, of course, and the price compares, relatively down. But for a special occasion, we thought, why not go for something a bit more special? Well, I've been BD, you've been watching It's All Rover. If you don't mind giving us a bit of a, just very gently tap and caress the like button. And subscribe. It does help us get these videos out to more people who are looking for tips, and it keeps them coming your way, and we always appreciate it. Right, see you on the next one.